I normally take a morning walk, which takes me through my local market area. Today, I noticed a fruit that I did not recognize. It turned out to be a Baby Ataulfo mango. I tasted one and it was very sweet and tasty. It was reminiscent of a peach. So of course, I bought some.
Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Today, we're making something sweet, tropical, and absolutely delicious. Homemade Baby Ataulfo mango jam. This jam is so creamy, so flavorful, and is made with just 3 simple ingredients. Trust me, once you try this, you'll never go back to store-bought jam. First, we need to prep our star ingredient, Baby Ataulfo mangoes. These mangoes are naturally super sweet and have this amazing buttery texture, which makes them perfect for jam. You'll need about 1 kilogram. Once they're peeled and pitted, dice them into smaller pieces. The smaller the pieces, the faster they'll break down into jam. Now toss your mango pieces into a heavy bottom pot. This helps prevent burning while we cook the jam. Next, add 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Baby Ataulfos are already sweet, so you can adjust the sugar to your taste. Then I sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon for that warm spiced flavor. If you prefer, you can use a cinnamon stick instead. Give everything a good stir, then let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. This allows the sugar to draw out of the natural juices from the mangoes, which is key for that perfect jam consistency. After the mangoes have released their juices, it's time to cook. Place the pot over medium heat and bring it to a gentle boil. Once it starts bubbling, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. Make sure to stir occasionally so it doesn't stick to the bottom. Look at that! The mangoes are breaking down and the mixture is starting to thicken. It's already smelling amazing. I like to use a stick blender to break up any large pieces of fruit. This will give a smoother texture, much like an applesauce. Once the jam is thickened, you can add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice or 1 teaspoon of citric acid for a little tanginess and to help preserve the jam. This step is optional, but I highly recommend it. Now carefully ladle the hot jam into sterilized jars. Leave about 1/4 inch of headspace at the top, then seal the jars tightly. And there you have it, homemade Baby Ataulfo mango jam. Look at that gorgeous golden color. It's like sunshine in a jar. Let me tell you, this jam is incredible. It's creamy, it's sweet, and that hint of cinnamon just takes it to the next level. Perfect on toast, pancakes, or even as a topping for yogurt. You've got to try this.